listen to this. Don't be with someone dahil nalulungkot ka. Maraming taong ganyan. Nalulungkot ako, gusto ko maging kaibigan. Tandaan nyo, ang malungkot, naghahanap ng malungkot. Ano yung resulta? Lungkot plus lungkot. Lungkot na lungkot. No, tandaan nyo to. Kaya marami nag-aasawa dahil malungkot sila. Kalokohan yan. Huwag mong gagawin yan. That's a minefield. Landmine yan. Don't enter into any relationship, mapakaibigan yan, mapakasawa yan, mapadating yan, dahil malungkot ka. Labas tayo, naiinis ako, nalulungkot ako. Tapos ka, re-raping ka yan. Nakuha niyo yung sabihin? Kasi they will take advantage of you. What I'm saying is, I'm not saying literally raping you, but they will take advantage of you kasi vulnerable ka eh. Kaya nga, lungkot at lungkot, pag mong pagsasamahin. Lalong-lalo na po yung sad at mad pinagsama mo. Because sadness to the point of madness ang aabutin mo. Nagkahanan nyo? Nagkakatinyan tayo? Kasi maraming tao sasama dahil malungkot sila, sasama sa luko-luko. Huwag mong gagawin yan. Bakit? Dadaling ka sa kalukuhan yan. Kaya itong sinasabi ko sa atin. Kaya this is a principle. Who are you as a person? Now listen to this. If you receive Jesus Christ into your heart, you are a child of God. Can you imagine? God gave you that right. You are a child of God. Don't just join anybody. Kung ikaw ay anak ng presidente, may limitasyon ka. You cannot just be with everybody. People might destroy you and the whole country. The same manner, now that you belong to Jesus, meron ka nang dapat na intindihan na hindi lahat ng kaibigan na committed friends, committed friends. They can be a casual friend so that you can share the gospel to them, but never to be a close or committed friends.